Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn off focus on iPhone permanently. For that, you need to go on your settings. Now here, if you scroll down a bit, there you will be seeing focus option. Tap on it. And here you will be lead to this kind of interface. Now here you can go one by one on all the personalized focus. And in order to delete it, you can simply go at the end. And there you will be seeing delete focus option. You can tap on it. And this kind of box will pop up. You have to simply tap on delete focus. Likewise, if you go back and do the same process for others, then your focus will be deleted. Now another way to stop it is to simply tap on focus status. Completely it's turned on. Now toggle up the button and it's turned off. This is another way to turn off your focus on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.